Hello, my peeps. What is up? Let's go ahead and jump in because you're gonna have a lot of time. I have to go to work, and I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but my rerun was lazy, and so here we are. You can see my base and everything is already done. So as you've seen by the title, we are going to review the HUDA new Nudes palette. I have definitely loved HUDA in the past on my channel. My most viewed video on my channel is from HUDA. It's like 7,500 views or something. I don't know. That's a lot for me. I don't have a lot of subscribers, so this is like the new nude palette from HUDA. So I got this not that long ago. I have used it once, and I have mixed feelings, but it's fine. So I'm going to use it today for you all because I said I would on Instagram. For starters, I'm going to try to remember to swatch these all at the end, but this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really pretty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? 4. Yeah, 10 matte shades and then this conceal shade, which looking back is probably why my stuff didn't blend out last time and why I didn't like it, because I probably tried to mix this in and it was a total flop. However, we're not going to worry about that part today. We are just going to go in with the shades and make a pretty look. So anyways, yeah, 10 matte shades, 1 concealer shade, 4 like of her new, I don't even know what this is called. Multi-reflective shadows. And then there's 2 pressed glitters, 1 pressed pearl, and 1 concealer base. What's the pressed pearl? Is that Bear? Oh, no, it's Kinky. I feel stupid. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna try this out. So I'm going to start with a clean brush, of course. A clean Morphe by 18 brush. And I just want to kind of like pop something in my crease. So I think I'm going to take Play, which is this shade here, and mix a little bit of this shade here, which is Teddy. So that's Play and Teddy. Play Teddy. And there is a mirror, like it's full size and everything. So we're good there. I have concealer on my lids, but I haven't done anything else to them. Just looking at this didn't like draw my eye, but when I swatched it, like I was like, ooh, because like those multi-dimensionally shades are kind of cool because they don't end up looking the way that you would think they look, which is kind of a pain when you're trying to like look at a palette and envision a look, but it's still like nice in the aspect of it's like a cool type of like process. So this eye is not blending, of course, because this is my bad eye and it never blends. But it's cool, you know. What do you think? I think that's pretty. So there was a lot of fallout. I should have showed you before I blew it off. My bad. But I'm going to go in with, I really wish there was like a warm color in here. There really isn't like a warm option. Like on camera, this one looks kind of warm and that one looks kind of warm. But in reality, they're not at all. Like, not in the slightest. However, and there really isn't, like, I need a deep brown shade to deepen up my outer corner. But nonetheless, we're going to take Tickle, which is this shade right here, and maybe a little bit of Raw. So Tickle and Raw, and try to like go deep in the crease a bit and possibly the outer corner. I feel like partially that this palette is just like a ton of shades of pink, which is totally cool if you're into pink, but I am really into like warm tones, so this isn't really always up my alley unless I'm feeling like really like, I don't know, not like this, like not how I normally am, I guess. Because normally I live for like orange. Oh, and by the way, I still haven't figured out my whole mic situation. So you're just gonna have to deal with me talking and like the normal drama I have going on with my life. Okay, that's not bad. Still think it's really pink. I really wish there was like a warm color in here. I didn't do my outer corner yet. I will go ahead and use Raw and maybe even a smidge of Tease, which is the shade next to it. It's like a mauvey purpley color. Okay, that deepened it up a smidge. Can you guys tell? I might do lashes today depending on how much time we have. That's pretty. I mean, it's definitely purple, but it's pretty nonetheless. And I know what you're thinking. Kyla, you're doing the same look everyone else has done. And I'm like, yes, because there's not a lot of options with this palette. They're all pink. Okie dokie. Now, I want to decide which one I'm going to put on the lid. I want to use one of like the specialty colors. Just don't know which one. That one's really pink. Really pink. Do we have anything that's not super pink? No? All pink? Alright. I think I'm going to go with... Ooh, those are pretty. I just did like a quick little like... just to see what color I wanted to use. Living. Okay, I'm really actually liking that. So... I think I'm going to use this shade here called Crave. It's like the lightest one and it has like a green reflect in it, which I think is super pretty. And honestly, I just kind of want to go in with my finger because I don't feel like this is gonna like do well with the brush. So just dipping in Craze. I ran my finger across it and it smeared that green color. So like instead of looking pretty like it did before, it's now like this greeny color. Holy smokes, that is a pretty color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's stunning and it almost looks wet. That's pretty, real pretty. Okay, I really like that. And I do think that it's a little bit light for the rest of this look. I don't want this to be just like literally every single other HUDA new nude video that is out there. Wow, she's pretty. Oh, I want to put a different color on there. Maybe like this one, which is Fantasy. It's like a pretty, it's like pink, but it's like got a nice deepness to it. That's pretty, right? I mean, I'm not in the super like pink looks like this. I would rather like shine bright and you could see me from like the biggest distance ever. I would use the glitters, but they don't really go with the look. And when I tried to use them the other day, it made a mess, and I don't really want to have a mess before work. So we're just gonna take a little bit of that lightest color, which was the Crave color that's on the inner corner, and pop that a little tiny bit on the bottom lash line. That's kind of pretty. Okay, that's pretty. Alright, it really opened my eyes up, I feel like. So let's go ahead and just kind of like try to wrap this up. I'm going to swatch each of them for you. Bear, Crave, Play, Fantasy, Bear, Crave, Play, Fantasy. I'm sorry they're overlapping, but you know, I don't have a lot of space and I have a lot of colors. Next, and let me dry off my fingers a smidge before I dip my fingers in there. We have Love Bite, Spanked, Blaze, and Daydream. So that's what they look like on my fingers. Love Bite, right? Yeah. Spanked. Lace. Ooh, I should have used those three together. They look pretty. And Daydream. I'm gonna remember that. So can you guys see? That's really pretty. Okay. I need to keep going though. My camera's gonna die. Let me dry it off. We have Tickle. I'm not gonna swatch the two like glitters. Tickle, Kinky. I'm not gonna swatch the concealer either. Secret and Tease. Pretty. Running out of room. So that's what? Tinkle, Kinky, Secret, Tease. Pretty. They look like lipsticks on my fingers. Like on my hand. It's really pigmented though. It's pretty. I like this palette, honestly. I like I don't usually go for like pinks like this, but I feel like I can really play with this and like expand my horizon. Now we have Raw, Charmed, and Teddy. So Raw, Charmed, and Teddy. Really, really beautiful. I can try to swatch the little glitters a little bit, but I'm gonna have to leave my fingers wet so it'll stick some. It's not really sticking. So like that's kind of, I don't know if you can tell. You guys see that? They're like right there. It's kind of hard to, you know, sorry. And I keep trying to focus on my face. Oh, I don't know. But I think they swatch really pretty. They worked really well in the eyes. They blended like super easily. I do like the pigmentation of it. I don't think there's any issues there. I just wish there was like a warmer shade, and I don't see myself reaching for it that often because of that part of it. This conceal shade though, like nothing shows up. It's like, it feels like greasy and there's nothing there. So I don't know if you should use it as a base or like what. And also look at this little like, isn't that cute? Isn't it? So that's really it, you guys. I'm going to pop on some mascara and maybe some eyelashes. What time is it? Yeah, I got time for lashes. What do you guys think? I am actually loving this. And I'm going to put on some gloss just because I want to keep it like simple and like feminine and whatnot. When I get to work, I always end up changing my lip anyways. I don't know why. I just never said it. Like, on my drive there, I'm going to get fed up, and then that's just going to be it. So, yeah, I'm going to leave my hair up, actually, I think. What do you guys think? I kind of really like this look, honestly. The palette, like, I had kind of, like, ifs about it, but I kind of really like it now. So, what do you guys think? I feel really pretty. But I gotta go to work, so I will see you guys later, okay? Okay. Alright, well, I hope you guys have a great time. And don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. You know, I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for you to subscribe because, like, what are you even doing? Like, why are you not already subscribed? Honestly, like, we're here for a good time and a long time. So, like, just go ahead. Okay, just go ahead and hit that subscribe and then just hit the like, you know. Might as well. You like me. I like you. Let's like. Come on, hit it. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.